Manila lang. Heading MRT station. To MRT Coyote Flight. Mag rush hour like this time 6:35 PM. Grabe ang tao rito sa MRT. So pag hindi ka sanay sa long queues, long lines, you will be irritated. Okay, nakababa na tayo sa punong-punong LRT train. Now back to the ball game. Ikaw pala yan. Okay, this is a regular Papawis game composed of mostly employees of FWD Philippines, the life insurance company, a Hong Kong-based, a Southeast Asian company engaged in financial services. Office mates natin yung organizer dati, office mates and teammates before with AXA. K-Moon 4-3 misses. Nice left-handed. To Bo Belga. To Aquino, Jimbo Aquino, K-Moon. To Jaworski. Nice love pass. For a training session. Jimbo Aquino. Very nice. Easy drive. Okay, galloping down court. Ballad pass. Hirap pag ang player hindi natuto kumasa nung kabataan. Ito, office mate ko to dati, hindi ko lang malala pangalan. Mamaya tatanungin natin. Okay, last 2 minutes of this Papawis game here at Makati City, powered by FWD Philippines. Ang ganda ng mga ganun, easy floater. Jaworski to Mike Pinisi. Ating ka-office mate dati, marunong para mag-basketball. Yes. Oh pare, shout out. Dati nating office mate sa pag wala natin. Either sa Teldirect. Teldirect. I'm not sure kung sa AXA. Teldirect ata. Mamaya, interview natin ating familiar face. Okay. To our office mate. Kay Arsenia. Wala pa rin. Eto na. Marunong pala ito maglaro. Wala pa rin. Jaworski. So,